Hi, my name is Carlos Andres Perez, and I will invite you to my beautiful house and my family members. My house has 5 levels. It's composed of 3 rooms, one bathroom, one lounge room, living room, and kitchen. This is my house. There are several shops on the street. In the level 1, there are 3 chairs and fridge and kitchen. In the children's room, level 2, there are 2 beds and closet, and there is a TV. And this is room of the princess of the house. And there is a bed and TV and DVD and a private bathroom and the desk. In the level 3, in the room there is a bed and TV and DVD. There are several photos and closer. It's a very precious space for me. This is the bathroom. In the bathroom there is a mirror. It's a mirror and shower and some towels. This is the 5 level. In the laundry room there is a washing machine and there is a table. This is my dear family. And my wife, it's me, my sons, my princess of the house. And say hello, guys.
Hi.
Thank you for your attention. Bye.
Bye.